Sarah, and today I'm doing an Oddities mystery boxing from a company called Odd Mountain. It's a Halloween deal, so hopefully it's super spooky and really cool. And I'm so hyped for this. Oh my god, this is so cool. Lots of little bits and pieces in there. Oh my god, so I've only just opened it and it looks so amazing. I'm super excited. There's so many little bits and pieces in here. They usually come in little packets, little bags, and some in little blind bags, but let's have a look. Oh, this is so cute. That's a little hanging skeleton to go with my collection of little hanging skeletons with little red eyes. This one's vintage too. It's got little teeth. Oh, I should be careful with them. It smells nice. But this would be really cool, like on the mirror in like my car. This would be really cute. And this isn't too big to fit in there. Oh, so cute. I love him. Oh my god. Okay, this is awesome. It's not really my style, but fuck it. It's like a little bat choker to go in my collection of trinkets, but it's pretty chill. I might give this to a friend of mine. I think that'd be super cute. It looks like vegan leather. It doesn't look like real leather, which is good. Little batty guy. They have like a lot of, they have like taxidermy stuff, and then they have like the little knick-knacky kind of stuff. So this is little knick-knacky kind of stuff. Little witch's hat cookie thing. I made so many batches of cookies lately, it's not even funny. So probably gonna get some of them. Oh my god. So a little bracelet. A little spooky bracelet with little spooky bits and pieces like a little ghost. I like this little sugar skull in like a turquoise. Super cute. I might even fit my wrist because my wrists are super teeny. And last one is in the top bag. Aww, little cute little buttons. I'll add to my collection of buttons that I never wear. Not buttons. Pin backs. Little ghost and a little boo. So cute. Okay. Oh, and there's jewelry on the top in little baggies. Oh, I love this. Oh, I'm wearing something similar to this right now. It's all like, maybe stainless, yeah, I'm pretty sure most of their stuff is like stainless steel. It's a little antler necklace. Kind of looks similar to my vertebrae. Wait, is it vertebrae? Yeah, this is a vertebrae necklace in the shape of a real vertebrae from an animal. I can't remember which animal it is, but it's by a brand called Birds and Bones Jewelry. They're super, super cute. Yes, antique photos. What is that? This is like a little UFO conspiracy postcard. So cute. I love it. It reminds me of X-Files, which I love. It's so good. It's too good. And a beautiful little antique photo. So this is a little antique photo of two women. It can go with my art book collection of antique photos that I'm waiting to frame because I haven't found like the perfect frame for them. Probably this box was only $100. And then this is, oh, I love these. I have a teeny bit of experience mounting butterflies, but I'm nowhere near as good as professionals. But this guy is so beautiful and soft. I love you, little butterfly. Yeah, I'm not very good at mounting them, but I guess the last time I did mount them, I made my own little mounting set out of foam and cardboard. So I used like a cardboard box and foam as the stands, and then you like put the little body in between, and then you like wet it, and you spread out the wings on top and pin them in place, and leave them there to dry. It's pretty simple, but like I was pretty shady and a child when I last made my little butterfly mounting system. Trust no one with a little Illuminati eye. Not really into patches that much, but this is cute. I'm on that. I have like 1,000 of these little things. They're just little furry toys. We've got eyeball pin back. I love eyeballs. Oh, and that's actually really cute. It's a little insect ring. Oh, and it's adjustable, so that might actually be able to adjust to fit my fingers because my fingers are tiny. Where are you? Oh, there it is. Yes! So this is another little taxidermy bat guy. He's so tiny. In a little bag. Oh my god, I love him. He's all mummified. So you wouldn't want to stretch him out. I mean, you probably could, but I wouldn't. Probably put him in a little case. A little forever case. He'd look cute in a little coffin case, actually. Yeah, he's all fuzzy and cute in there. Aww, these used to be so trendy. They're still pretty cute. Yeah. Skeleton hand clips. They're kind of useful. Look at my lip today. But they're super cute. Yeah. Oh, skeleton hands. Gotta love a skeleton hand. Oh, this is perfect. Oh man. Yes. What is that? Is that a bat skull? It's kind of a little, two little skull guys. Little bags. This one's definitely a bird skull. Which is ironic because I was talking to my friend about a bird skull recently and said that I would give her this if I found it in this mystery box, but I kind of want to keep it because it's so cute. And then this one, it kind of looks like a, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is perfect. I don't 100% know what this is, but it says Lovell Sterilized Surgical Catgut Plain 2 out of 0, 2-0 on it. And it's a little vial filled with what looks like a medical floss or something, but it's kind of amazing because I collect little vials of things, and I have a little section of my cabinet dedicated to like fish bones and teeth in vials and squid tentacles in vials. So this would be really nice because it's right next to my little medical section as well. More little pin backs. I love this one. What is it called? The Triple Goddess pin. And then a coffin pin. Can't go wrong with coffins. And a little bat making its way off into the moonlight. These are kind of cute. 2 more little pens. I have these. I have 100,000 of these. This is a slightly different shaped one than all the other bone pens I have in like a little needle pen. They could carry around with you, I guess. I can take them to work and use them there, but I don't use these kind of pens ever. I'm primarily a felt tip pen user, so these are just for show. Last but not least is I've left this fat little black package on the bottom of the box. Let's hope something cute's in here. I was hoping it was this. Yes! Ooh, it's so gross looking, but I love it. It's a porcelain head. Wait, is it porcelain? Yeah, that's definitely porcelain. A little porcelain doll head. To go for my very small porcelain doll collection because they're fucking expensive. I put a little tea light in this. That looks super cute. I love it. Her. Looks like a her. Yeah. That's the last little bit in my Oddities mystery box from Odd Mountain. If you like stuff like this, definitely check them out. It's cheap as shit. This is only $100 for all this random stuff. And I got like skulls, like real skulls, antique, skeleton, lots of jewellery, lots of little bits, taxidermy bat, antique photos, porcelain doll head, and you can leave them like a little comment in the description telling them what kind of stuff that you like, and they will mould it towards you. Leave me a comment telling me what your favourite thing I got in this box was, and goodbye.